எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். நம்ம சேனலில் ஆல்ரெடி நிறைய ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர் கொஷின் பேப்பர்ஸ் எஃப்எஸ்ஓ எக்ஸாமுக்காக நம்ம பார்த்துருக்கோம். அதே லிஸ்ட்டில் இப்போ இன்னொரு ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர் கொஷின் பேப்பரை தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். இது ஆந்திர பிரதேஷோட கொஷின் பேப்பர். ஸோ இந்த கொஷின் பேப்பரை பார்க்குறதுக்கு முன்னாடி நீங்கள் நம்ம சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாமல் இருக்கீங்களா? மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. வாங்க கொஷின் பேப்பரை பார்க்க ஆரம்பிக்கலாம். இப்போ நாம் பார்க்க போகிற கொஷின் பேப்பர் ஒரு எம்சிக்யூ கொஷின் பேப்பர் தான். ஆனால் அந்த எம்சிக்யூவில் இருக்கிற 4 ஆப்ஷன்ஸையுமே நம்ம ரீட் பண்ண போகிறதில்ல. டேரெக்டாக அந்த கொஷின் அதுக்கான ஆன்சர் மட்டும்தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம் இந்த கொஷின் பேப்பரில். ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டு கொஷின் HACCP ஸ்டாண்ட்ஸ் ஃபார். இந்த கொஷின் நம்ம எல்லா கொஷின் பேப்பர்ஸ்லேயுமே பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம். ஸோ கண்டிப்பாக இந்த கொஷின் எக்ஸாமுக்கு வரத்துக்கான வாய்ப்பு இருக்குது. HACCPனா ஹசார்ட் அனாலிசிஸ் அண்ட் கிரிட்டிக்கல் கண்ட்ரோல் பாயிண்ட். ஸோ அடுத்த கொஷின், விச் ஆசிட் இஸ் ப்ரெசன்ட் இன் ஆப்பிள்? இதுக்கு ஆன்சர் மேலிக் ஆசிட். அடுத்த கொஷின், அ கிரிட்டிக்கல் பாயிண்ட் இஸ் அன் ஆப்ரேஷன் பை விச் அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க. இதுக்கு ஆன்சர் ஹசார்ட்ஸ் கேன் பி எலிமினேட்டட், மினிமைஸ்ட் ஆர் ப்ரிவென்டட். அடுத்த கொஷின், விச் ஆர்கனைசேஷன் இஸ் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிள் ஃபார் என்ஷூரிங் தட் ஆல் ஃபுட்ஸ் ஆர் சேஃப் அண்ட் ப்ராப்பர்லி லேபிள்ட்? இதுக்கு ஆன்சர் FDA. Total quality management emphasizes a commitment to quality that goes beyond internal company issues to supplier and customers. Sixth question. Appertizing is a process called canning and is named after Nicholas Appert. Question number 7. Hedonic rating test is used to measure. Answer, preference. Question number 8. Which of the following safety issue is a responsibility of state government? Approving all safety auditors. Ninth question. Reverse osmosis is a form of membrane technology that is used to. Answer, produce some fruits juices. 10th question. The daily recommendation of dietary fiber are based on. Answer, age and gender. 11th question. The injury caused due to rough surface of containers is known as. Answer, abrasion injury. 12th question. Centrifugation process of removing bacteria from milk is known as bacterifugation. 13th question. In duo try method of sensory evaluation, dash samples are used. இதுக்கு ஆன்சர் 3 samples are used. 14th question. Dash is used as emulsifier in chocolate manufacturing. இதுக்கு ஆன்சர் lecithin. 15th question. Basic concept of HACCP was developed by which company working along with NASA? Answer, Pillsbury. 16th question. World Food Day is celebrated on dash October. 16th October. 17th question. Phosphatase test is carried out to check the adequacy of. Answer, pasteurization. 18th question. Which component in chili is responsible for pungency? Answer, capsaicin. 19th question. The damage to the tissue in fruits and vegetables developed due to refrigeration is called chilling injury. Question number 20. The purple color of jamun fruit is due to. Answer, anthocyanins. 21. Milk fat is present in dash forms. Answer, emulsion forms. Question number 22. Lyophilization is also known as. Answer, freeze drying. Question number 23. Which sugar is called milk sugar? Answer, lactose. Question number 24. Which sugar is present in DNA? Answer, deoxyribose. Question number 25. The coenzyme not involved in hydrogen transfer. Answer, FH4. Question number 26. The inhibitor of transcription is. Answer, actinomycin. Question number 27. Cans treated with acid-resistant lacquer are called? Answer are enamel cans. Question number 28. Which of the following acid is predominant in tamarind? Answer tartaric acid. Question number 29. Dash is widely used as flavor potentiator in processed food. Answer monosodium glutamate. Question number 30. Legume proteins are most limiting in? Answer methionine. Question number 31. GHP stands for Good Hygienic Practices. Question number 32. The NRC for pomegranate is located in? Answer Solapur. Question number 33. The e-tongue test evaluation is performed by? Answer liquid sensor. Question number 34. The major carbohydrates of rice? Answer starch. Question number 35. The pigments of colored rice are? Answer both anthocyanin and carotenoid. Question number 36. The major lipids of maize oil is? Answer triglycerides. Question number 37. Bread flour is mild from? Answer hard wheat. Question number 38. Baking powder is compound of? Answer sodium bicarbonate and tartars. Question number 39. In rice polishing? Answer a layer of bran is removed from brown rice. Question number 40. Shelling out turn of groundnut is? Percentage la answer kekranga, so answer is 75. Question number 41. The edible portion of paddy is? Endosperm. Question number 42. Removal of bran layer from the rice is done by? Answer both polishing and whitening. Question number 43. Glazing is done on rice for? Answer transparent look. Question number 44. Saturated fatty acid increases? Answer heart problem. Question number 45. The kernel of paddy is enclosed by? Both hull and bran. Question number 46. The main products of corn drying milling is? Answer grits. Question number 47. Bulgur is the product of the? Answer wheat. Question number 48. Separation of broken rice and head rice is known as? Answer grading. Question number 49. Removal of hull from cereal grain called? Answer dehusking. Question number 50. Parboiling of paddy is following treatment? Answer hydrothermal. Question number 51. The oils and fats are composed of different mixture of? Answer glycerides. Question number 52. Roll mill separator is also known as? Answer velvet roll separator. Question number 53. Cracked debraned parboiled wheat is called as? Answer bulgur. Question number 54. Separation of clean products into various quality fractures on the basis of any one physical property is known as? Answer sorting. Question number 55. Removal of few large particles involved in process is called? Answer scalping. Question number 56. The technique useful in coarse shifting is? Answer combined vertical and horizontal motion. Question number 57. The process of moving air through stored grain at low flow rates to maintain or improve its quality is called? Answer aeration. Question number 58. The percentage of endosperm in mature corn is about? Answer 82%. Question number 59. The development of drying equation for heating or cooling is based on? Answer Newton's law. Question number 60. protects or conserve much of the energy expended during the production of processing of the products. Food product is known as answer packaging. Question number 61. Food packaging surrounds, enhances, dash the goods. Answer protects the good. Question number 62. Packaging is a dash system of preparing goods for transport, distribution, storage, retailing and end use. Answer coordinated. Question number 63. Packaging means of ensuring safe delivering to ultimate consumer in sound condition at answer minimum cost. Question number 64. Packaging is a techno-economic function aimed at minimizing cost of delivering while answer maximizing sales. Question number 65. The dash is one which is in direct contact with the contained product. Answer primary package. Question number 66. The dash contains a number of primary packages. Answer secondary package. Question number 67. Toddy is prepared from answer Palmyra. Question number 68. Hyperbaric storage is also known as low pressure storage. Question number 69. A type of bioreactor used to obtain desired product from microorganism is answer fermenter. Question number 70. The fermented product obtained from cabbage is called answer sauerkraut. இதே கொஷின் வந்து கேபேஜ்லேருந்து செய்யக்கூடிய ஒரு ஃபர்மெண்டட் ஃபுட் எது அப்படின்ற மாதிரி கொஷனாக கேட்டிருந்தாங்க ராஜஸ்தானோட எஃப்எஸ்ஓ எக்ஸாமில். இப்போ அதே கொஷின் இந்த ஆந்திர பிரதேஷோட எக்ஸாம்லேயும் ரிப்பீட் ஆயிருக்கு. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி கொஷின்ஸ் வந்து ரிப்பீட்டட் கொஷின்ஸ் நம்ம டிஎன்எஃப்எஸ்ஓலையும் எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணலாம். Question number 71. The dash yeast is mainly used in bakery. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. இதுவும் ஒரு repeated question தான். Question number 72. Bacteria which multiply at high temperature are known as thermophilic. Question number 73. In canning, Z value is defined as the temperature necessary to bring the change in TTT for D value dash fold. Answer 10. Question number 74. The pink rot on egg are produced due to the growth of answer Pseudomonas. Question number 75. In biogas, which main gas used is answer methane. Question number 76. Who is the father of tissue culture? Answer Ross Granville Harrison. Question number 77. Mycotoxin are produced by answer fungi. Question number 78. Dash is produced from fermented apple juice. Answer cider. Question number 79. The milk is pasteurized at 62.8 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes to eliminate answer Coxella burnetii. Question number 80. Karyogamy is answer union of haploid nucleus. Question number 81. Hops are effective against answer gram-positive bacteria. Question number 82. Ropiness in bread is caused by answer Bacillus subtilis. Question number 83. Non-protein part of enzyme is called as prosthetic group. Question number 84. Development of undesirable odor in oil and fat due to lipolysis or oxidative breakdown of fatty acid is known as answer rancidity. இதுவும் ஒரு repetitive question தான். Question number 85. Which of the following is not an amino acid? Answer cerebronic acid. Question number 86. What is the minimum number of carbon present in fatty acid? Answer 4. Question number 87. The reagent used in Selivanov's test is Answer resorcinol. Question number 88. The basic unit of photosynthetic apparatus is called as thylakoid. Question number 89. Citric acid cycle was discovered by answer Hans Krebs. Question number 90. Two sugars differing only in configuration around one specific carbon atom called answer epimers. Question number 91. Deficiency of which vitamin leads to rickets? Answer vitamin D. இதுவும் ஒரு repetitive question தான். Question number 92. The nitic of most enzyme reaction are reasonably well represented by Michaelis-Menten equation. Question number 93. Which of the following is a non-reducing sugar? Answer trehalose. Question number 94. NAFED was established in answer 1958. Question number 95. FCI was established in 1965. Question number 96. Food Safety and Standards Act was promulgated in which year? Answer 2006. Question number 97. Which act is related with grading, marking of agriculture commodities? Answer AGMARC. Question number 98. Which order is related to meat products? Answer MFPO. Question number 99. Headquarters of Spices Board is located at answer Cochin. Question number 100. Which is leading financial institution at international level? Answer World Bank. Question number 101. International Organization for Standardization comes in existence in 1947. Question number 102. APEDA was established on February 13, 1986. Question number 103. The Prevention of Food Adulteration Act was established in answer 1954. Question number 104. WTO began functioning on answer 1st January 1995. Question number 105. FPO stands for Fruit Products Order. Question number 106. Aromatic amino acid is answer phenylalanine. Question number 107. Codex Alimentarius Commission is run by answer FAO and WHO. Question number 108. ISI has been renamed as BSI with effect from 1st April. Answer 1987. Question number 109. ISO 22000 standard are associated with answer safety and quality. Question number 110. The 5 elements in management processes are plan, organize, staff, lead and control. Question number 111. Premature setting of jelly is caused by answer low TSS. Question number 112. Pungency of onion is due to presence of answer allypropyl disulfide. Question number 113. Flavor in cabbage leaves is due to glycoside. Answer sinigrin. Question number 114. The yellow pigment in papaya is answer caricexathin. Question number 115. In lychee, which portion is edible? Answer mesocarp. Question number 116. Inactivation of enzyme is done by answer blanching. In the question, repetitive question. Question number 117. Minoglycerides emulsifier is used in answer both bakery items and ice creams. Question number 118. The full form of FDA, Food and Drugs Administration. Question number 119. The food products order was started in the year. Answer 1955. Question number 120. Export of Quality Control and Inspection Act was established in the year 1963. Question number 121. Solvent extraction oil, de-oiled meal and edible flour order started in the year. Answer 1967. Question number 122. Which chemical is used for controlling sprouting of onion during storage? Answer malic hydrazide. Question number 123. The width ratio between lactose, total protein and ash content of milk is 13:9:2. Question number 124. The specific gravity of amyl alcohol used in fat test by Gibber's method. Answer 0.810. Question number 125. Lactogenic is also known as. Answer galactopytic. Question number 126. The test for mixing of cow milk and buffalo milk is. Answer Hansa test. Question number 127. Lecithin is a component of which of the following? Milk lipid. Question number 128. The water activity of chilled meat is. Answer low. Question number 129. Oxymyoglobin has a color of. Answer bright red. Question number 130. Shrink bath method was developed by. Answer W.R. Grace. Question number 131. Fluid will become more fluid, viscosity decrease with the time as they are stirred are known as. Thixotropic. Question number 132. Convective heat transfer coefficient is expressed by. Answer Nusselt. Question number 133. Pascal is a unit of. Answer pressure. Question number 134. The Jensen formula is used to determine the pressure in a. Answer any type of bin. Question number 135. Temperature dependent of reaction rate constant in a first order reaction can be described. Answer Arrhenius law. Question number 136. According to Hooke's law. Answer within elastic limits, average stress is proportional to average strain. Question number 137. Cryopreservation is associated with liquid N2. Question number 138. The flow in pipe is laminar if the Reynolds number is. Answer less than 2000. Question number 139. Ideal plastic behavior is represented by St. Venant body. Question number 140. Fluidity is the reciprocal of. Answer viscosity. Question number 141. Critical pressure of CO2 supercritical fluid is dash bar 73.9. Question number 142. Eutectic temperature of solutes in ice cream is. Answer minus 55 degrees Celsius. Question number 143. Toothpaste is. Answer Bingham plastic. Question number 144. The pore size of reverse osmosis is. Answer 0.00001 to 0.001 micrometer. Question number 145. For laboratory certificate, which ISO is used? ISO 17025. Question number 146. Softness of pickle is due to both penicillium and lactobacillus. Question number 147. Which of the following is an excellent oxygen barrier? Answer ethylene vinyl alcohol. Question number 148. Conversion factor used in wheat is. Answer: protein equal to nitrogen into 5.70. Question number 149. Mousy flavor in wine is due to L. plantarum. Question number 150. High density polyethylene has answer: low gas permeability. இந்த கொஷின் பேப்பர் உங்களுக்கு பயனுள்ளதாக இருந்ததுன்னா மறக்காமல் இந்த வீடியோவுக்கு ஒரு லைக் பண்ணிவிடுங்க, நம்ம சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிவிடுங்க. இந்த மாதிரி தொடர்ந்து வீடியோஸை நீங்கள் பார்க்கணும் அப்படின்னா மறக்காமல் அந்த பெல் பட்டனையும் கிளிக் பண்ணிவிடுங்க. அடுத்த இன்னொரு பயனுள்ள வீடியோவோட உங்களை நான் சந்திக்கிறேன். அது வரைக்கும் நன்றி, வணக்கம்.